de the Hacienda Road here. Today we're going to make creamy Dijon shrimp with Pernod. This, when I first ran across the recipe, I had my doubts because I'm thinking Dijon mustard is going to stomp all over the flavor of the shrimp. But what I learned is in the cooking, if you use minor amounts of the Dijon, it subsides along with the flavor of the Pernod. It subsides and actually complements the shrimp very well. Those of you who do not know what Pernod is, it tastes like anise or licorice, anise. Apparently this recipe is a thing in Europe and very popular. So we're going to make it. What I got is 16 to 25 shrimp a pound, raw, peeled, and deveined. I'm going to pluck the tails out of them, and then we're going to cook them. So let's go. As part of the prep work, I have plucked all the tails off those shrimp, and now they're just all ready to eat shrimp in a bowl. Right, in a skillet over high heat with 1 stick of butter, we got the shrimp in there, and now we are going to put salt and pepper on them generously. I got a teaspoon each, salt and pepper, and we're going to cook them, then pull them off to the side. Okay, now that we've taken the shrimps out of there, we are going to add the parsley and the shallot, and we're going to cook that, stir fry it for a little bit till it invokes all these delicious flavors from the shrimp that are there. Okay, and while we got that going on, we've got our bottled Pernod, and we want about a generous cup. Okay, we'll call that a cup. We want to heat that up, and then we're going to do this. Alright kids, don't try this at home. I am a trained professional. Don't get burnt. Okay, we're letting all the alcohol burn off, and it's looking real pretty. So join me when it's done. It is smelling really good, and so now what we are going to do, need a spoon, we are going to add some of this Dijon mustard, and we want a tablespoon, no more, because we really don't want this to stomp on the delicate flavor of the shrimp. And right now we have 7 ounces of crème fraiche. So let's get all that stirred in and see what it looks like. Okay, so I tasted the sauce, ended up adding another 7 ounces of crème fraiche and another tablespoon of Dijon, believe it or not. It had really mellowed out and went to the background. Just a perfect amount of Pernod, and this is tasting pretty elegant. I'm impressed. It's so easy. So we've added the shrimp back in there, and we've got it over number 4, medium heat. They're going to finish cooking in here while we wait for the pasta. And I forgot to say, because I turned around and lurking behind me, here it was, we are going to add the juice of 1 lemon. That's going to help brighten it up. Alright, so the pasta is al dente. So now we're going to put it in. We don't want much, hardly any pasta water, so I'm going to drain them. So we got the penne going on there. And let me finish putting the rest in there, mix it up, and we'll plate it, and we'll taste it. And here we go, a nice plate of steaming goodness. And let me tell you, it smells really good. It smells elegant. Wow, let's go ahead and taste it. Okay, so where is my fork? First thing we're going to do is stab some penne and taste the sauce to describe it for you. Rich and as everybody promised. The upfront flavors of the Pernod and the Dijon mustard really subsumed, fell in the background. They're clearly there. I can taste them. Wow, very tasty. Let's go ahead and try shrimp in that sauce. And remember, I took the tails off, so it's all meat. Yeah, this is really a good recipe. Shrimp have such a delicate, delicious flavor, and this sauce, as all the chefs promised, complements the flavor of the shrimp. So easy to make. Wow. If you want to impress your friends or your loved ones or your wife, make this. That tastes like you're a Johnson and Wales trained chef, which I am not. I just like cooking. I play a chef on TV. That is definitely a make again recipe. Shrimp is currently on sale. I don't know why. They've had a week-long shrimp fest and seafood fest at the grocery store. Anything you want, I loaded up on shrimp. We're good to go. 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.